So what if you could hire an employee that works 24/7, never gets tired, and can learn pretty much any skill you need, almost instantly? Well, that's the whole promise behind AI agents. They are, without a doubt, the next big leap in intelligent automation. And today, we're going to build one right from the ground up.
But what exactly is an AI agent? The most important thing to get is that it's way more than just a simple script. It's a fully autonomous system. It can see its environment, it can make decisions, and it can actually take actions to hit a goal you give it. The easiest way to think about it? It's like an automated workflow that has a brain.
All right, here's our roadmap. We're going to start with the big picture, then jump right into the core frameworks. After that, we'll give our agents some new skills, connect them to a business, and even build out a whole team of them. And finally, we'll get them ready for production.
Now, to really wrap our heads around this, we're going to use a single metaphor for this whole journey. We're building a company. We're going to start by hiring our very first autonomous employee, just one single agent, and by the end of this, we'll have a whole collaborative crew ready to get to work.
Which, brings us to the big question. If we're really going to hire our first AI employee, what tools do we actually need? What's the blueprint for one of these things even look like?
This is where we make our first hire. We're looking at the core agent frameworks. These are the trailblazers, the tools that really showed everyone what was possible with autonomous AI. They gave developers those first essential building blocks to create a single, goal-driven agent.
Okay, so what's super interesting here is you've got two foundational philosophies. On one side, you've got Auto-GPT, which is all about complete autonomy. You give it a high-level goal, and it just goes. It works to achieve it with minimal hand-holding. But then you've got Baby AGI, which introduced this brilliantly simple but super powerful loop. Create a to-do list, do the top thing on the list, and then reprioritize the whole list based on the result.
And this example just perfectly shows the power. Just imagine an Auto-GPT agent with one goal: create viral videos. It could go out, scan Reddit and Twitter for trends, write a script, generate the visuals, and put together a short video, all without you lifting a finger. See, it's not just automating a click, it's automating an entire creative process.
So our new agent is pretty cool, but it's still kind of limited. It can only do what its base model knows. To make it a real powerhouse, we need to give it a toolbox and access to our private company knowledge. It's time to give our new hire an upgrade.
And this is where something like LangChain comes into play. Honestly, just think of it as the operating system for your agent. It's this huge library of ready-made connectors that lets you plug your agent into basically anything: a calculator, a massive database, a random API. It also lets you swap out different language models super easily, so you're never locked into just one.
This chart breaks it down perfectly. If LangChain is the toolbox and rulebook that tells the agent how to do things, then LlamaIndex is the company library. It's the key that unlocks your own private data, your PDFs, your spreadsheets, your internal wikis. So LangChain gives the agent the tools to act, and LlamaIndex gives it the specialized knowledge to act smart.
All right, our agent is now skilled up and knowledgeable. So the next step, obviously, is to plug it into our actual day-to-day business operations. We're going from a standalone employee to a fully integrated team member.
And the best part is, you don't always have to be a hardcore programmer to do this. Platforms like AgentGPT give you a really friendly, low-code interface. You can literally assemble an agent right in your browser, tell it what to do, give it some tools, and all the while powerful stuff like LangChain is running in the background, doing all the heavy lifting. And this is where things get really, really practical. Tools like N8N let you visually map out your entire business process. You can drag and drop a workflow where, say, a new email comes in, that's the trigger. That email then gets sent to an AI agent to summarize it. And boom, the summary automatically gets posted in a Slack channel. It's an incredibly powerful way to automate things without writing a line of code.
So far, we've been focused on what one agent can do. But let's be real, some problems are just too big for one person, or one agent to tackle alone. So now, we're promoting our employee and hiring them a team. We're officially entering the world of multi-agent systems.
CrewAI is a framework built for exactly this. It lets you create agents with specific jobs, like a researcher agent and a writer agent. You give them individual tasks, and then you put them together in a crew. The researcher can go out, gather all the information, and then just hand it off to the writer to draft a report. They actually work together to achieve a bigger goal.
Now, if CrewAI is about defining the team's roles, LangGraph is more like engineering the complex conversation between them. It's a lower-level, more powerful framework that lets you build these intricate back-and-forth interactions.
Why is that a big deal? Well, it's crucial for really long, complex jobs, and, this is key, it's perfect for workflows where you need a human to step in, give the okay, and then let the agents continue.
Okay, we've designed our agent, we've given it tools, we've plugged it into our workflows, and we've even built it a team. The final step is taking this from a cool prototype to a reliable, scalable system that actually works in the real world. Time to open for business.
So here's the thing, these modern frameworks are being built for the real world. They have what's called durable execution, meaning tasks can run for days and won't crash if there's a hiccup. They give you observability with tools like LangSmith, so you can literally watch how your agents are thinking and fix things when they go wrong. And of course, they come with dashboards to monitor everything, making sure your new AI workforce is running at peak performance.
And that really just brings it all home, doesn't it? We're not just building isolated little tools anymore. We're building a new kind of workforce, a team of autonomous agents that are going to work with us and with each other to solve problems that are more and more complex.
From that very first single agent to a fully automated team, all the building blocks are here, and they're available to everyone. So really, the only question left is, what problem are you going to solve? What will you build?
You've been watching The AI Fox. Subscribe for weekly videos on AI automation, agent builders, and intelligent system design.